Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Well, I did it, left the headlights on, and now I gotta jump start the car. Hey, I've used this a few times. I'm gonna show you how it works. This is our Norco jumper, and it's pretty awesome. I just keep it underneath the seat in my truck for situations like this. Pop the hood, find the battery. Here's how this stores nice and compact, and then we're gonna take these pieces off here. Okay, we connected red to red, black to black. Easy as that. Turn it on. Let it sit for a minute. Fire up the vehicle. There you go. Easy as that, my friends. The days of the jumper cables are gone. Super easy, super fast. We'll turn this off. Disconnect the red. Disconnect the black. Close up the hood. The thing stores away nice and neat. Make sure it's turned off. Those clips go on like that. You could probably just throw it under the seat like this right here. I'm gonna keep it in the box just for a little bit. By the way, I have 3 of these. I got 3 vehicles, 1 in each vehicle. My wife, when she goes to watch our daughter play basketball, she sits in the car. I say watch, she just sits in the car and waits for her. She has left the lights on or something on and killed the battery. My wife can do this on her own. I kind of walk her through it on the phone. But my point is, it's easy enough, and my 15-year-old, almost 16-year-old's got one in his truck too. These are super awesome. Long gone are the days of needing jumper cables and doing that nonsense. Stored under there, completely and totally forget about it until, of course, the next time I leave the lights on or something else dumb. Hey friends, if today's video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.